Point number 8, encourage professional development. Family, what I am doing right now is professional development. Why is that? Because I'm working on my skill set of communication. I am working on my ability to take a subject and unpack it in a way that from somebody as a beginner getting into this to someone that's seasoned, both can have a understanding and be able to take some valuable points from this. Listen, the more skilled your stakeholders are, the better success that you're going to have on that particular project. Why? Because they're going to be more productive. Why? Because they're going to be able to push through these complex problem solving issues that may come along. Because when you're working with a team that has that professional development, that they're constantly working on getting better, what's going to happen is, family, is that when a problem comes up, watch this. This is what I love about working with people that's constantly working on themselves, just getting, as James Clear talks about in Atomic Habits, 1% better, is that when they see a problem, they don't dump all their resources on the problem. They dump all their resources on the solution. Okay, I hope you didn't miss what I just said there. What I'm saying is that they understand what the problem is.